Yeah. All right, second half. Frogs clearing up a little bit. 3-0 FC.
9:06. Playing to the entry field.
Yeah, show the other car that was parked next to it in the parking lot.
How did you become such a car guy?
I have no idea. It was outside.
Neither one of us.
I have no idea. Prius with 152,000 miles on it, it's taped together. Pull over and reset the battery, and he's looking at Lotuses.
Oh, finish shot.
Oh! Get him. That's it.
He tried to do the back. He tried to backheel it.
Wasn't a bad idea.
Nice idea, Jonathan. Oh.
Handball?
I think they got 13 on a push.
Push?
What size gloves?
All the way up.
Kid 6.
Up, Bulls, let's go!
A brand new pair of
All the way up.
sevens
Come on.
that I bought that as
Big
a
kicker.
backup
Big kicker.
coach that have not cracked.
Oh, I may take you up on that.
I don't know.
He's got about
Select is the brand. I don't know if it's
How's
I think Tommy's wearing select.
They come with the
Finger guards.
Yep.
I think they might be a step lower. So they don't have a turn, but they should use.
No.
You can use them. Some give them a lot, like, I don't know, Tommy used finger guards for his?
He does, yeah. He's got
Jonathan nearly broke a finger last year.
Let him go, Daniel.
Oh, nice try.
Tommy likes the rigid. Yeah,
Yeah.
he likes the
You get your finger bent back one time.
Right.
It's like it's the last time you go without it. He gave to the other ones to his brother. He says, "You fight." His brother goes, "Nope. What you was good for you was good for me." Mom, get me finger guard.
Hey, Steve, you got the schedule?
I don't have it on.
No?
I left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have it.
No, I want to know for I want.
Go, Jonathan! Oh.
I just want to know what the first team we're playing.
Let her rip.
First team that
The Blues playing, yeah.
That's it, Nick.
Way to be
FC Boston.
nice.
Come on.
Attack.
Elite.
That's your guy, buddy.
That's it, Jay. Good Jay.
Ooh. FC Boston, are they a good team too?
These guys here?
No, the other one, the Elite.
Real good.
Was it Elite? You said 2000 FC Boston.
This is Premier, and then they're playing Elite.
They were playing the Elite team.
So it's just the
Next.
same. Like they're instead of blue-white, they have Elite.
Elite.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
got
yeah.
it. Oh, gotcha.
05 elite.
Yeah.
It's quicker.
They're quicker. What did you say?
I guess they got. Actually, you know what? Now you could actually see the play.
By the way, did they swap goalies? At half?
Yeah,
No,
they
no.
switched it.
No. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong side. That's
Yeah.
Tommy down there. It's like,
You know that's not your son.
I know that's not my son. I just looked down and I looked to my right and I said, wait a minute, the goalie just got a lot smaller. I was like, wait a minute. Yeah, he's like, no disrespect.
No.
Yeah,
I'm
like,
waiting for him to grow and praying.
so am I. What are you talking about? I'm with you on that.
Jeez Louise.
That's the white team. Undersized talent. Kick it down.
A little small. Oh, go, Jasper. Take it. Nice. You go, Justin.
I was very encouraged. I was home for a shoot. There's a picture from my bar mitzvah.
Where's home, by the way?
Move the ball. There you go.
Up. No,
My mom was like 5'5". And that picture from my bar mitzvah, she towered over me. So I was like, okay, so that was it.
Yeah, 11's your guy.
Go. Jack is very. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. I gotta get a picture of this for Jody.
2. Again. Don't let him by you, buddy.
There you go. This thing drives me crazy. This ball is so slick on the field. Oh, great move. Be there for him. Oh, great move. Be there, John. Oh.
Go to the ball.
Is it Moses?
Ooh.
Joseph, how art thou? We're up 3-0. Second half of the first game. Jonathan scored the first goal.
You gotta let it stop right there.
Yeah. Could be. They found his calling. Yeah, where are you today, brother?
On it.
Oh, scouting out new sites for NYCFC.
Nice.
Go, Ryan. Get up, Ryan. Get up.
One time, dude.
Oh, nice save.
Nice, Ryan.
He's made a lot of nice saves today.
Yeah, good.
On the ball, buddy.
Oh, you should have gotten a hotel room out. You should have gotten a hotel room out there, Joe.
What's your mark, buddy?
Where's TSF? Where's TSF from? They're Jersey, right? Are you out there right now? Are you at the field? Are you out in Orangeburg right now? Oh, you're like me, man. I'm living the Gershman life. Yeah, I keep telling myself that.
That's Sam move right up.
9 volts.
Is this a tournament, or is this something else, or is this just regular season game you got this weekend? It's real. Oh, okay. So he only has one game. He only has one game though.
Hey, Steve, what time is it?
Watch middle.
8:45.
8:45.
How about Moses?
Oh.
That's yours, Leo. Gotta get him.
Gotcha.
There you go.
On that,
Doesn't make
guy.
any sense at all. Well, listen. Let me call you back. I got a cheer on here. I'll call
Let
you
her rip.
back. I'll call you back post game. All right. All right, bro. Thank you.
Oh, I tried to feed
Talk
it
to you
through.
later.
Almost got
You
that
are.
too.
My
Nice
brother
luck,
from-
Nick.
That's my brother from another mother. Back from
Come on. You got it. Use your legs.
Is that our whistle?
He's calling him
Some
on.
whistles going off. I can't even keep track.
That's your ball.
20? Yeah, he's calling on 20.
Are these dates?
Trying to make
What date? Say, well, hey, oh, time your run, John. Time it. Time it.
Watch mine.
Time
That's you,
it.
that's you.
Say, Leo. Moses. Get with it, Nick.
Good run. Nice.
In the net.
That's it, Tommy. That's it, Tommy.
Bounce.
Watch behind you, buddy.
Nice, Justin.
That's it.
Get ready, Jonathan. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
Yep. Come on.
There you go. Oh, man.
Shot.
3-1. God bless you.
Thank you.
Why did he go backwards? What the?
Come on, guys. Step it up. Let's go.
Behind you.
Stop lodging, man.
Lose him, Jay. Lose him. Pick it up, Yellow. Pick it up. Stay lost. Here it goes. Here it goes. Let's go. Step on the throat. Let's go. Stay right up.
There you go. There you go.
Great idea, guys. Great idea.
Right back home.
Yep, you got that guy.
Come on, Jay. One for another. Let's go.
Watch 17 coming in.
What's up? You guys have a game today? Very nice idea.
Ooh, nice stop.
Step up on him.
That's you, that's you.
There you go, here.
What's behind you, buddy?
He's got some nice footwork.
There you go, here. Oh, there you go. Oh, give it to him. Give it to him.
You got it, again.
It's way, Nick.
Oh,
Okay, get on side. Let's go. Don't dog it.
Okay, I think now we can see the whole field.
Took a while.
Yeah. I'm telling you, that first half was like a waste filming it.
hit another person's head.
Oh. Thank goodness these guys are where you are.
What happened? Oh.
Oh, is it going? Oh, yeah.
And then that, buddy. Here we go.
Come on. Right on it.
And then
I thought that player, I thought he was on a
watch the short right here, guys.
that kid was.
Playing over here.
Look.
Stay in, Leo. He's running if you got him. He's running if you got to.
You ready? Stay on. Stay on. Oh, next speed. Oh.
Get it out of there. Wow.
Get
Hey,
out.
that kid's crazy.
Thought he had it.
He's got some nice
He's got
moves.
good footwork.
He's got good footwork. I think that's the first time I think I actually watched him really play.
He's got some good moves, that kid right there.
Yeah.
Is it one of yours?
Huh?
Is it yours?
Well, no.
Come on, guys. Step on the gas. Let's go. Need one here. Need one here.
It's tricky.
Johnny.
Oh, so close. Way to cut him off, Ryan.
I don't know half the team because half the, we had 12 new players
I hear you.
from last year that tried out.
They just rotate the kids, so half the time they get kids in 2006, 2007 sometimes.
Well, we have two,
Go now, go.
between the two teams, we got two 2006s.
Yeah.
But one of the 2006 is bigger than one of the 2005s.
They didn't always there.
Well, David, the little kid, number 5, he's a 2006.
Oh, yeah.
But he's very good.
Don't let him get the ball. And don't watch him to make
Come
a
on.
decision.
Just get him.
Oh, nice look. Oh, good. Keep going. Work, Jonathan, work.
It's not as simple as that. The kid's one of the quickest kids on the field is the guy you're matched up against. You try to draw it back and he
Yeah.
tucks you.
Win it, win it.
Don't let him shoot.
There you go.
See that, Jonathan? Oh, take it, Jonathan.
That's it, Jay.
Down the line, down the line. Give him off.
Quick!
That's yours, get him.
Again.
Come on, stay on him.
Come on, Zeke.
Watch him wide.
Stay on. Stay on.
That's you.
I'll duck back.
No.
Oh, Jonathan.
Yeah! 4-1.
Thought he had it. Let's try, Ryan.